everybody, here's a quick tip for you. We all know the struggle of trying to get those little bitch pins out of our linkages. So do this. If you want a quick and easy way of doing it, go to Harbor Freight and grab yourself one of these little tiny air compressors. It's like 50 bucks. Grab yourself one of those little hose kits. I think it's like $6 or $8. A little air hammer. And then grab yourself a, what is it? It's a 6.9 millimeter little punch from Eastwood. All you gotta do, it's real simple, guys. Just go underneath it and just yeet it right out. Just it'll come right out. It takes like 3 seconds. No more laying on your back and just beating on this little pin to get it out. Mine was rusted and solid right in there. I couldn't get it out. I did this, came right out. Thanks for checking this video out. If I have other tips and tricks along the way, I'll let you guys know.